Happy birthday to Tamay! Ingat kayo palagi ni Babab. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mai. Salamat sa iyong kaabaitan at malasakit sa ating lahat. Buti na lang naging part ka ng aming pamilya. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong inyong araw ng iyong kapanganakan. At sana marami pang tawanan at swimming pang mangyayari sa atin at bonding at mangyayari sa ating lahat. Happy birthday, Mai.
Happy birthday, Tita Mai. I bless you and we love you very much. Hi!
Happy birthday, Tita Mai. More blessing to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Mai. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Mai. Mahal na mahal ka namin. God bless. We love you. Sana enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Love you.
Go.
Happy birthday, Myra! Stay beautiful and sexy!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi.
Tama naman kami yan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Waya. Salamat sa pagdumdum ng pagpapadaba permi sa amo ni Maed. God bless. Always ka na mo ipapangadji kamo ni Kuya Jan na sana mahatagan na kamo san iyo little angel. Ingat kamo permi nan padaba ka na mo.
Happy birthday, Tita Mai.
Tita Mai.
Happy birthday, Tita Mai. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Tita Mai. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, kiss na. Yee! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Myra. Ipipita ikaw na magkabibi ka na. I love you.
Happy birthday. May God grant you your heart's desires. Cheers and celebrate. Enjoy your day.
Aloha! Happy 40th birthday, ate! Thank you for everything.
Wishing you all the best in life.
Sana matupad lahat ng prayers, wishes, and dreams mo. Enjoy your day with Kuya Jan and Talo family.
Good health
and God bless.
and God bless.
We love,
you. Mwah. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Waya. Good health. Kumusta kayo ron ni Jambim? Ingat kayo dyan. Salamat sa mga suporta. Thank you very much. Anak, I love you.
Go. Hello. Good day. Ate Myra, wish you a 40th happy birthday in your life. Wish you a prosperous life with John Beam. Thank you very much. Thanks for the support in our family. We love you very much, Ate. Thank you so much.